Hey everyone, my name is Emma. I'm a graphic designer, artist, and Etsy shop owner. And today I'm going to be making stickers for my Etsy shop packaging, which is something I've been putting off for a long time now. So I decided, with being inside and all, it would be easy to just do it while I'm home. So I basically just wanted some round label stickers. So I'm just mucking it up with a red brush, and I wanted them to be circular so that they would just look nice and clean on the outside of my packaging. So I kind of rearranged it a little bit, changed my wording. And then I just started going over it with my shop colors. I typically just like to use the brushes that come with Procreate, which is the program that I'm using on my iPad. So I usually just use like the monoline calligraphy brush. And here I'm just fixing up a few things, spacing it out and adding a cute little design. And then I just copied that a bunch of times. And once I was happy with that, I just added the white background so that when I upload it to my computer, it will only cut out what the white background shape is. And then I decided I wanted thanks instead of thank you. So I just went in and changed that really quickly on all of them. I just did sort of a final check of all of them, made sure I was happy, and then I exported it as a PNG and sent it to my laptop, where I renamed it and then moved it to my regular folder for all of my Etsy packaging stuff. And then I just opened the Cricut program because I use a Cricut machine to cut out all of my stickers. And I just started a new project and I uploaded my PNG into the project, and I did complex because I wanted to be as sharp as possible. And then I just did a double check to make sure there was no extra spots or anything. And I wanted them to be printed first, so I did the print and cut option. And I just uploaded it right into my file. And then I just resized it a little bit because the Cricut dimensions are like only within a certain amount of space. So I just fixed that. And then once I was happy, I made it, and it just shows it on your mat. And then I sent it to my printer. But first I have to get my sticker paper in my printer, so I just went into my bin of supplies, and I just used the online labels, like matte sticker paper. It's my favorite. And I just stuck that in my printer, and then I clicked send to printer, and I turned off the bleed because the white outline is basically the bleed anyway, and then I wanted to use my system dialog for the best printing, and I changed it from color to color fine print, and I didn't have a reason to have double siding on, and then I made sure it was the best quality, and then it just printed out for me, and I had to stick it to my mat before putting it in the machine, so I just flattened it down, and then I turned on my Cricut, made sure it was connected through the Bluetooth, and then I chose my material. And because I'm doing Kiss Cut, I wanted the removable sticker paper, and I do less pressure on that so that they peel off easier. And then I just put that into my machine and press go. And it just starts cutting. And these are pretty easy. It went really fast. It's just like a single circle. Then once it's done, I just take the mat out and I press finish on my project, and then I peel the mat away from the sticker sheet, and here are my stickers. They're pretty big, so that way they'll be like visible on the mailer, and then they're also kiss cut, which means that they peel off the sheet, so they'll be easy to remove and stuff. I didn't want to do die cut just because it's easier to have them in a sheet and keep them nice and flat. But yeah, those are my stickers.